Hi Techmongers, my video on how to communicate in any language of the world whereby you can type in one language and AI will translate it to any other language in real time was my first viral video. In fact, I had loads of fun chatting with my fam in different languages of the world. So today, I want us to take it a notch higher. Let's assume you can't write, or your hands are occupied, or you are just too lazy to type. All you have to do is say the words and AI will type it and translate it to any language for you all in real time. So let's try it out. Let's say I want to communicate with a French person who doesn't understand English and I only speak English. All I have to do is download Gboard and set it as my default keyboard. Then open WhatsApp or any other platform I want to use to communicate. Tap on the icon at the left, tap on Google Translate icon, select the language I want to translate to and fro, tap the microphone icon at the top right corner and good morning, sir. This is to confirm that I'll be visiting France on the 21st of January 2024 for the conference in Paris as discussed. And send. If you understand French, you will agree that this is nothing short of phenomenal. All the French guy needs to do is talk back in French and it will be translated back to me in English. What do you think about it? Someone in my previous video said it was a recipe for Yahoo. Let me know in the comments. Like and share this video with your friends and follow for more tips like this.